Hello, fellow YouTubers. This is me, Peter Robertson, aka Jake Sniper, of course. And I've got a special treat for you. It is none other than Incredibles 2 Family Figurine Pack. And I'm done. I do the unboxing of all the Incredibles characters. Like, I got Jack, Violet, Dash, the whole Incredibles family. So, this is like the whole set. I mean, you can't find anything else. This was on clearance for $8.38, roughly around $9. But um, it is what it is. On the back of the packaging, you get a glimpse of the Incredibles family. You got Dash, Violet, Elastic Girl, Jack, and Mr. Incredibles himself. And inside the packaging, you get all of the figures currently in the packaging. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each figure like I do with my other unboxings. I go through details and how they did a very good job, and I sometimes point out if it's a yay or a nay. So, leave down in the comments below about after the video. Leave it down in the comments below. What do you think of these designs that Disney came up with using these posts, and which one is your favorite? So I'm gonna take a quick break. I'll get this opened up, and I'll take a look at the goodies inside. Okay, be back. Alright, sorry about that. But I must say, getting those out of the packaging, not your best easy attempt. They were harder than I expected. So let's start off. We're gonna save him for last. Let's start off with Violet. Violet's, as you don't know, I like the detail on Violet, in the pose. I think Pixar nailed that off, or whoever designed her, I think they nailed the details and the suit. I think Violet gets an A plus in my opinion. I like Violet, eh, only because she reminds me of Invisible Woman from Fantastic Four. Which I don't know if you want to see like a video about the Fantastic Four. I'll do a review if you want that too. I do have all 4 members of the Fantastic Four. So that's Violet. Next we'll move on to Jack. Jack is the youngest member of the Incredibles family. And so Jack has tons of powers. Not very strong, but he does have quite a few powers. Laser vision, multiplying into different numbers, turning into flames, shape-shifting. Yeah, so let's get a close-up. That's Jack. That's him. Next, we'll move on to Dash, which is the second youngest, I think. Jack's kind of reminds me of, Johnny Storm, which is also the Fantastic Four. The reason why I mention that is, look, he has blonde hair. Same goes for Johnny. I'll do comparison video of Johnny and Dash separate from this one, but yeah, Dash is kind of, cocky, so to speak. His power is speed. He runs fast. The last dash. Right there. Elastigirl is my second least favorite, I would say. The reason why I say that is, I don't think Elastigirl is that strong. Now, I do think, they could have, put, Elastigirl as a sideshow. Cause I don't think Elastigirl, I don't know, I'll let you guys be the judge of that, but personally, I don't think Elastigirl was fit to be a hero. I mean, why do you think she ends up getting captured at the end? Spoiler alert. Here's a close-up of Elastigirl. Is this her head? What happened to my figure? You see that, right? See that? Something happened. Huh. I'll have to fix that. Anyways, last but not least is my number one favorite, and that is Mr. Incredible himself. The reason why I say that is he is just like Ben Grimm, which is another Fantastic Four. Ben Grimm is basically the Thing, and he's also super strong, and that same goes for Bob Parr, which is Mr. Incredible. Super strength is kind of both their things. They lift heavy objects. I don't think there's much to him. I mean, they nailed the what's it called, they nailed, I gotta finish this up. I have a few minutes, and my phone's, low on storage. Anyways, Mr. Incredible, I think they nailed him off, because, yeah, I like it, although they could do much better, in my opinion. So, out of all these, which ones do you think would be a perfect hero in the next future Incredibles movie? The first one featured Mr. Incredible as the main hero. The second one featured Elastigirl as the main hero. So which one of the following do you think would be a perfect match as the main protagonist? Jack, Violet, or Dash? So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little short 9-minute review / unboxing. So leave down comment below what is your favorite Incredible member, and if you're new to my channel, smash that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment and hit that. And number 4, you got it. Push the notification button. It's the gray bell thing. So yeah, that about wraps it up. I'm going to attempt to fix Elastigirl. So, catch you later. This is Peter Elfs signing out. Peace.